may not be imminent. Persons
including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the
Red River, Sabine, and Webster, and the following counties in Go candidate here. Marion and Panola. Not one. Severe weather.
Commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 711 has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following services in Louisiana, Louisville, Claiborne, DeSoto, Red River, Sabine, and Webster, and the following sources in Texas, Harrison, Marion, and Panola. Tornado watch number 711 has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana. Tornado watch numbers
Sabine and Webster, and the following counties in Texas, Harrison, Marion, and Panola.
They went quick. Oh my gosh, hurry up.
Damaged or destroyed. Damaged windows. Thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas. The following locations: sites, Carroll, and Golden Valley. Cover down. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
This is the best as it's gonna get. Okay, yeah, that's gonna be it's gonna be a particular station.
Lows in the upper 40s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Gusts up to 25 miles per hour after midnight. Chance of rain 20%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy. Much cooler with highs in the mid-50s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25. Windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Grant and southeastern Natchitoches parishes, including the following locations: Chopin, Kitaichi, Aloha, and Durham.
I think that's just the online stream though.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.